Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be doing another preset video, but today we're going to be doing how to do R&B, how to sound like 6 Black or 6 Lack on BandLab or whatever. So this is actually a new preset I recently just made. It's new and everything, and I'm going to be showcasing it. We're going to put everything in the description on my IG, Instagram, TikTok. If you want to follow me on those, put my email if you want to collab, whatever. So that's what you need to do, whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, run this video up, and let's get into it.
Rain. Hoping that you doing better. They telling me keep my head up. You know how far you better. I never thought that I'm next up. You and me. No, I can't break. No, I can't say. Something wrong, just don't know if it's you or me. I heard that we can be friends. Now it's better than
Yeah, that's what it kind of sounds like, and it kind of sounds good, I'm not gonna lie. So if you just want to take this preset, you know it's gonna be in the description. I actually can't record because I've actually lost my headphones or whatever, so I'm gonna be getting new headphones, and this will be dropping soon, you know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna have to show the preset like I always do, so that's what it looks like or whatever. Simple settings, not too hard. But I'm gonna show the ad-libs too. Wait, did I not? Oh. This is a BandLab preset. But what's it called? Oh, I made a new preset. It's actually the Ghost Reverb preset. I think it's this one. Let me see. Yeah, it's this one. This is what the Ghost Reverb one sound like. But yeah, y'all get the point on that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna be ending it right here. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. This is actually, I wasn't actually gonna even post anything, but you know, gotta get the views up. So like and subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and all that good stuff. And peace.
rain. Hoping that you doing better. They telling me keep my head up. You know how far you better.